Still wrestling with those bulky space-hogging solar panels? So exhausting. Meet the Solex Solar Bag. Compact and light, just grab it and go. Click, open, unfold, connect. Power in seconds. It's just that easy. Need to travel lightly? Just unzip and adapt. Take only what you need. Power on the go. Phones, drones, power stations, and all your gear. Solex powers them all. But that's not all. We also have the SolexBrick S1 and mountable panels. Done with messy wires and tricky installations, confusing manuals, painful shocks. Setting up your solar system with Solex is a breeze. Link panels easily and start storing power. Get your battery charging with no hassle. Now, get back and enjoy. See those traditional panels? Just a little shade, and it really cuts their power output. Don't let power problems spoil your mood or your trip. That's where Solex comes in. Even when partially shaded, our smart design keeps generating power efficiently. Continuous, uninterrupted energy, leaving you free to spend precious time with people who matter most. One solar family. Infinite power possibilities. Enjoy peaceful moments and embrace sustainable living. Solex, making solar as easy as Lego.
Follow us to join the community of innovators.